Oh, Siangale. Good morning, everybody. We are here at 920 South Decatur Boulevard at our pop-up for a purpose. We got some good desserts right here. Say good morning, Tina. Say good morning. Morning. Yangale. Have our boots here. Got some clothes and got some hydro flask cups. Right here. This is the inside of our facility. Then of course we got our Etena Fou shirts, our drinks. Go outside. Good morning everybody. You guys have a free morning, free afternoon, come by to 920 South Decatur. Our church is pop-up for a purpose. We got poke bowls. We got lumpias right here. Good morning, everybody. Everybody's working so hard. Got curry shrimp. Oh, yeah, morning. We got Uncle Mike's kitchen right here. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Got some good desserts, good sweets right here. We got Miss Buggy. Good morning, Miss Buggy. Morning, Jen. We got Bugs Grill and Chill. Morning. Yes. Tina, they should be inside.
Oh.
Okay. Ooh, look at that good stuff.
You got short ribs, turkey tail, Polish sausage, mac salad, rice, and we have some suey.
Made by the beautiful Miss Jen.
We also have egg rolls if y'all want.
Ooh,
I'm rolling them up.
there we go. Well, come back, sis. No, I don't even know what the heck I'm doing. It's okay. Oh, after. I'm coming. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. As you guys tune in, again, 920 South Decatur. Come get a taste of your island, 702 style. Of course, we got Matai Sawa, island food. Okay, show them, sis. Uh-huh. Oh, and then what? Like homegirl don't got a board in the back of her with all the stuff that they got. There we go. Here's their plates. All look good. Then we got your ahi poke bowl. Good morning, everybody. And of course, your shot. There you guys have it. 920 South Decatur Boulevard. We'll be closing around noon. So come while you guys still can.
Why didn't you go short to be done?
Hi, sis.
Happy birthday.
Yep. All right, everybody. Say hi, Cassie.
Hi.
All right, you guys seen it? Come down and join us. We have some cold refreshments waiting for each and every one of you guys, provided by our Etena Fou youth. All right, everybody, God bless.